Hello guys. I got a request from Brunswick guy a few months back, and he requested the 1991 Ridgeway grandfather clock strike 12. So, we're gonna do that. But before I begin, I want to say that I apologize. This video might not be the greatest because as I was trying to get it ready since I hadn't run it in a while, some underlying issues happened to the clock somehow overnight as I was trying to do it. So first up being it wouldn't go off because it was gummed up, so I had to cycle it through a couple times and free it. So now it's actually chiming. But the third chime rod from the left is slightly out of tune and doesn't sound good as it used to. If you check a video I have way back, you'll notice the difference with it. So I already cycled it through. The clock runs into chime runs, so without further ado, the chime is silenced. I'm just going to do it the quick way. And the hand's a bit flimsy too. Alright, here goes nothing. So there's that. I had to reset most of the chime hammers, and that one wasn't even hitting at all before I made this video. Sounds a lot creepier with that tone, but it never did that otherwise. Clock runs too. I gotta replace a key for it. But anyways, hope you enjoy this, Brunswick guy. Want to see anything else, let me know. Thank you, and have a nice day.